students, hope you all are fine. I am also fine. Students, today we are going to start our new theme, birds, parinde. So let's start. Wow, this is an eagle. Eagle, eagle. Cob, cob, cob. Crow, crow, crow. Kawa, kawa, kawa. Parrot, parrot, parrot. Tota, tota, tota. Eagle, 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 eagle. Ukab, 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 ukab. Parrot, 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 parrot. Tota, 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 tota. Crow, 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 crow. Kawa, 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 kawa. Now I'm going to shuffle them. Where is parrot? Very good. Where is eagle? Very good. Where is crow? Very good. What is this? Parrot. What we call in Urdu? Tota. Shabash. What is this? Crow. Kawa. What is this? Eagle. Very good. Very good. Students, hope you learned the name of birds. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
Kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and I'm also good. Today I'm going to present new theme of birds. Birds, parinde. Birds, parinde. Ostrich, shudharmurg.
Ostrich, shudharmurg.
Ostrich, shudharmurg.
Ostrich, shudharmurg.
Pigeon, kabutar.
Pigeon, kabutar.
Pigeon, kabutar.
Pigeon, kabutar.
Sparrow, chidiya.
Sparrow, chidiya.
Sparrow, chidiya.
Sparrow, chidiya.
Vulture, gid.
Vulture, gid.
Vulture, gid.
Vulture, gid.
Can you point out where is ostrich? Very good. What is this?
Pigeon, kabutar.
Excellent. Can you tell me what is this?
Sparrow, chidiya.
And what is this?
Vulture, gid.
Very nice. So kids, I hope you have learned birds' names. So take care. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamualaikum kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do revision of birds. Bird means parinde. Let's start. This is vulture. Vulture. Git. Git. Sparrow. Sparrow. Chidiya. Chidiya. Hen. Hen. Murgi. Murgi. Crow. Crow. Kawa. Kawa. Peacock. Peacock. More. More. Parrot. Parrot. Tota. Tota. Turkey. Turkey. Fail murg. Fail murg. Duck. Duck. Buttock. Buttock. Pigeon. Kabutar. Pigeon. Kabutar. Eagle. Eagle. Ukab. Ukab. Ostrich. Ostrich. Shudharmurg. Shudharmurg. Now tell me, where is peacock? Very good. Where is ostrich? Good. Where is hen? Where is turkey? Where is pigeon? Very good. What is this?
Vulture, git.
What is this?
Sparrow, chidiya.
What is this?
Hen, murgi.
What is this?
Duck, buttock.
What is this?
Parrot, tota.
What is this?
Eagle, cock.
Very good. Students, hope you learned birds' name. Keep learning. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.